This demo will provide step-by-step instructions on how to create a test session. Please log into the Data Manager platform ahead of time. Please do not wait until test day to verify that you can log in. If you do not have an account, please send me an email to kgil@everettsd.org so I can create an account for you. If you have previously used the Data Manager platform, go ahead and sign in using your email address, place that here, and your password. If you forgot your password, please click Forgot Password option here. You will go to your Outlook email, look for an email from the Data Manager team, and follow the steps to reset your password. After you successfully log in, this is the screen that you will see. Please note this proctoring tab right here. You're going to go ahead and click Proctoring. Once you click Proctoring, this is the screen that you will see. Go ahead and start creating your session by selecting the test event, which is first grade COGAT screener, the grade, which is first grade, COGAT screening form 7, the level, which is level 7. Now, here's where you're going to select verbal picture analogies. That is the first subtest that the students will complete. The next subtest will be quantitative number analogies, and then the last subtest is going to be nonverbal figure matrices. But let's start with verbal, since that's the first subtest. The test admin type, please select Audio English. For the session name, go ahead and follow the following format. Location, mine is the CRC. Name, you can do just last name if you know for a fact your last name is very unique to your school. If you know that you and another teacher share the same last name, you can go ahead and personalize it even more and put your first and last name just to avoid any confusion. Then / the type of test you're administering, and then grade at the very end. Next up is draw screen. Make sure that is on. And then you're going to hit create session. Before you hit create session, though, this is a good time to verify that you've selected all of the correct options, because if for whatever reason an incorrect option is selected, we will have to re-administer the test again with the correct settings. So huge, crucial step here is verify all this information is correct, and then hit create session. Once you select create session, you can see some examples here. It will auto-populate and it'll start creating the sessions and placing them right here in this little area. So one thing to note, you just have to create one single session, which is verbal picture analogies. After you create that one single session, it will automatically send people or send the students to complete quantitative number analogies once they finish verbal. Same thing, once they finish quantitative number analogies, it will automatically switch them over into non-verbal figure matrices. So you don't have to create 3 separate sessions like this person did, which no problem, I can fix that. But just for future reference, just create one session and you're going to click verbal picture analogies. And like I said, it will automatically send people all the way through, so you don't have to create 3 separate testing sessions. Now, please note these are the session codes for each session. Every session that you have will have a very unique session code, so just make a note of that. And now, once you select your session, another tab will pop up. It will look very similar to the screen that you see. So we were previously in the Manage tab. Once you click the name of your session, the session name, click it, and then another tab will appear. The name of the tab will be different. It might say First Grade Screener. And then please note in this section, waiting for approval. Now, the students that are logging in, once they successfully log in, their names will populate down here under waiting for approval. If you do not see a student name popping up, that is because they are having issues logging in. So go ahead and walk over to the student, assist them with logging in. And once everybody is logged in, you can then click Approve All right here. Click Approve All. And then the first subtest will begin for the student.